What's up, guys? You're watching Token Steve, and today I'm going to address one of those things that's come up quite a bit in the past year, and that's people wondering how well my finish is holding up now that I've had it on the car for about 8 months or so. And I figured, you know, what better way of demonstrating how well it's held up than take it to the wash and show you guys a couple of different options you've got as far as washing your vehicle is concerned. So we're going to start off small and we're going to work our way up. Let's see how well it does. Now, when you think about washing your car, chances are you're like me and you think about going to the self-wash. Well, that's typically what I do, and to be honest with you, the stock paint on my Subaru is not fantastic. I was kind of worried after shooting the Plasti-Dip. You know, I wanted to make sure that I would have more durability than I had with the stock paint. So let's see first how well the Plasti-Dip does and how easy it is to clean taking it through a regular manual wash. Alright, as you guys can see, I went ahead and washed it the traditional method, but you're going to notice I didn't do a great job. And that's because there's actually a better way of doing this. But you will see that we don't have any sort of damage whatsoever on the finish itself. So, alright, on to stage 2. So you saw what the conventional self-serve wash did, and you know, it didn't hurt the finish at all. No sort of problems there, but you know, to be honest with you, it didn't get it very clean either. So, what are other options? Well, there is a touch-free. You could do a touch-free car wash. Those of you with sensitive paint are probably pretty familiar with the touch-free system. And basically what it does is it uses more abrasive chemicals to clean your car off. And you know, a lot of the time it beats actually putting a brush on the paint and potentially swirling the paint up. And that's great. But honestly, we're not that concerned about this with this car. You know, Plasti-Dip, it's not going to swirl. It's a flat finish. So we really don't have to worry about that. And obviously, even using the brush, the paint itself held up just fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut right to the soft gloss wash. And the soft gloss wash is a more conventional automatic wash, which uses the buffing wheels to actually clean your entire vehicle. And you know, this is the one that I think we might potentially have problems on as far as the Plasti-Dip, because we've got high-speed wheels flying at the car itself, flying at the finish. And you know, again, those of you with sensitive paint probably flinch whenever you even think about going through a wash like this. But we're gonna go ahead and see how well it works out for us. I think the powers that be are conspiring against me here. I tried the touch-free wash. Didn't work. It was out of order. Got in line for the soft touch wash, and well, let's just say I was the next one in line, and that one broke down too. So you see how this is going. Washes cannot handle the Plasti-Dip. The question still remains: can the Plasti-Dip handle the washes? That's what we're gonna find out when we get to the next wash station. So let's see what we can do. Okay guys, so we're about to go into the automatic wash here with the brushes to just see how the Plasti-Dip will hold up to this. Now I am going to point out that this wash not only includes the undercarriage wash, the high pressure wash, and rocker panel blaster, but it also includes a very big headache for the people who are behind me, because we've been waiting for quite a while to get into this machine. So let's just see how it all turns out. You know, just looking at it, of all the washes you could potentially do in your car, this is probably one of the most grueling, just because stuff is touching your finish all the time during the process. Not only is there the high pressure air from the dryer that's on it, but you've also got the brushes from the wash constantly hitting your paint at a high rate of speed. So if the Plasti-Dip survives, this is definitely the way to go. Let's see how it worked out. All right, guys, moment of truth. That wash took so long that it's now dark outside. The sun has gone down. And let's see what the effect of the conventional automatic wash had on our Plasti-Dip. As you can see, there's really no damage done to it at all. So it held up extremely well to the grueling automatic wash. No problems at all with the self-serve wash. And when we walked around the car, there was actually enough pressure on it that my rear view mirrors got pushed backwards. I am going to point one thing out. If you guys still weren't convinced with the auto wash pushing my mirrors back, here's what it did to my front plate. So yeah, pretty substantial. So I hope that this video kind of helps you guys out and helps you in your decision of whether you want to Plasti-Dip your vehicle, maybe some parts in your vehicle, and you're not sure about it, and you kind of wonder about the durability and the long lastingness of it. I hope that you guys got a lot out of it, and I'll catch you later. So here's the part of the video where I actually ask you guys for help. I'd like to continue making Plasti-Dip videos, and I have a lot of fun showing you guys what exactly is involved in the process and what this stuff can actually take, because honestly, I'm learning with a lot of you guys and I'm as interested as you are in it. But in order to keep doing this, I need your guys' input and I need your ideas. So if you guys could help me out, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and put your ideas in the comments section below, or if you see an idea that you like, go ahead and thumbs up it and make sure that I see it. I'd really appreciate it. It's a lot of fun to make these videos for you, and I'll catch you next time.